Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic curd at home. First, you will need fresh milk and a good quality starter culture. Begin by heating your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it reaches a good temperature for safety. Then, let it cool down to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, gently stir in 1 tablespoon of your chosen starter culture. This initial step is crucial for activating the beneficial bacteria and starting the fermentation process correctly. After adding the starter, gently mix it into the milk until it is fully combined. Now, cover the mixture with a lid or a clean cloth. Let it sit undisturbed for approximately 6 to 8 hours. It is important to maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 100 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, during this fermentation period. This warmth helps the probiotics thrive and thicken the milk into delicious curd. You will know your probiotic curd is ready when it sets firmly and has a pleasant, tangy aroma. Once it reaches this consistency, it is crucial to refrigerate the finished curd immediately. This step stops the fermentation process and preserves its fresh taste. Store your homemade probiotic curd in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week to enjoy its benefits. For an extra creamy and rich probiotic curd, consider using full-fat milk. This will give you a wonderfully thick texture and enhanced flavor. Enjoying homemade probiotic curd regularly offers fantastic digestive health benefits, supporting a balanced gut microbiome. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.